Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Of course, to all the candidates who joined tonight at sa mga dumang elimination, maraming salamat po. We're going to announce the season 3 siguro po after the concert na mangyayari po ito December 16. Meron pong special show po dito with different performers po yan. And sa mga hindi ko po nabanggit, ayan, maraming salamat of course. Nagawag natin itong Jenny Mercado, of course, na mother ko na rin yan. Thank you very much for. Of course, to the performers, Donald, Patrick, at Chad, si Toby, maraming salamat. Magkita pa tayo ulit. Okay? Sino ba? Of course, the organizers, of course, Mr. and Mrs. Billion, the owner of CJ Bar, maraming salamat po. Of course, the waitress, maraming salamat. Ito na hindi makikita. Kasi this is my, medyo, alam nyo na, malakit muna ako sa ibang bar. Yan, sa mga waitress, at si MJ, at si Gina, si Cesar Francis. Thank you sa mga hindi ko nabanggit. Kate, yan, and delete, salamat. Siguro Christmas party na tayo magkita ulit. No. To Mrs. Villion, thank you for the support. Mr. Villion, maraming salamat.
Other than candidate. Fourth runner-up is candidate number 1, Miss Angel Luxty. And of course, third runner-up to be awarded, of course, candidate number 18, Miss Era Madrigal. Second runner-up to be awarded by Mr. Bernard Espinas. For the second runner-up. Runner-up goes to candidate number number 2, Miss Jenny Mercado. First runner-up. Of course, please move forward. Candidate number 20 and candidate number 21. So again, as I'm going to announce the first runner, automatically yung matitira po is our grand champion for the season 2 of Vice Truck 2007. Hold your breath. Two remaining ladies. Our first runner-up to be awarded by Miss Josie. And of course for the grand winner that we call Mommy Ed. Mommy Ed. For the grand winner. And of course, Lance. Papainom ka ba? Ano ba sila? Yan, for the first runner-up, Miss Josie. Yan, for the first runner-up. And Mommy Ed for the grand winner of Vice Truck 2007 Season 2.